All right, it's happening. It's coming apart. Got the clutch cover off, and I think the clutch looks fine. Never really inspected a clutch before, but they look fine. I don't have a socket big enough to take this guy off, and I don't want to buy one. And the more I look at this, I'm thinking I keep going back and forth on whether or not I want to get really lazy with this or actually really do it. But to be 100% honest, I am terrified of taking this thing apart because I have no idea if I'm going to get it back together. I mean, I already have that, and I know most of that's not going back together. So, either way, I still got to take these side covers off in order to get them painted. And just pull the starter again. I managed to tweak this guy. I'll paint him. Kind of thinking about just cleaning it up as best I can. Do it the lazy way. It'll still look cool. It'll only piss me off later if I get some paint chipping or whatever, but I mean, this stuff sticks pretty well, so we'll see. We got the side cover off. Hooray. I have no idea. Looks fine, I guess. The one thing I did notice while I was in here last time with the starter replacement was that is super duper loose, and I don't like it. So the one thing I do have to do is pull the crank. Ooh, look, a magnet. I gotta pull the crank thing off, whatever that is. And so I'm not gonna do that right now because I have to look at a video. But I suppose the next cut will just be me doing it because I'm gonna go research it right now. Okay, not taking it apart. I'm just gonna degrease the hell out of it and paint it because you know what? I'm not taking that apart. Not doing it. I'm I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take that off. Replace this chain because it's sloppy. And other than that, I'm just gonna keep cleaning and prepping for paint. Gonna paint these real good. Clean all the internals. Just zip it back together. I'm sick of this thing sitting here, and I just have to clean it, paint it, put it back together. And then I can do the rest of that. I kind of disappointed myself because I was going to use this bike as a learning experience to kind of like dig into it and, you know, get the transmission all cleaned up. But truth be told, I just don't want to do that. I just don't want to do it. And I've never done anything like that before. I'm afraid of messing anything up. And like, even at this point, I mean, taking all that stuff out and it's like, I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to get to a point where I have it all assembled and I'm rolling through the gears without power, just kind of checking the function and it works. And then I start the thing up and it just explodes. So I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Anyway, this episode has been a while in the making over the course of many months. And next episode's paint. On the outer covers, doing the oil pump on that guy. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for waiting. Hopefully I can have another episode for you later. Oh, also I built that. It stores all my equipment, so I don't have to put it in the bed of the El Camino every time. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. All right, peace.